All right, let's do this. So this is what we're going to talk about, recover. So this is something that every organization should have. You should have something in your organization where you anticipate a disaster, anticipate mishaps, anticipate breaches or whatever, and you have to recover from a point where your functions or your mission or your business is not doing well because the system crashed, because there was a natural disaster, whatever it is. An organization has to be prepared for whatever comes next. And that's what recover is all about. And that's one of the things that's special about the nist CSF is that it's preparing your organization to govern properly, to identify assets in your environment, to protect what you've identified in your environment, to identify and protect your vulnerabilities that you find in your environment. It also has something where you're responding to incidents that might occur and how to identify those incidents and then recover from those incidents if you were hit by those. So here we go. Going into what is recovery, what kinds of things do you need to do in recovery. So from a high level view, what we're going to cover is diverse incident preparation, because you have different types of incidents in your organization and you need to be ready for those. We're going to talk about prioritizing critical functions, because you're not recovering the entire system. Sometimes number one, you want to prioritize. So even if you're going to bring everything up, you want to bring certain things up first if your system has gone down. Regular testing and refinement. So let's get into the subcategories. nist CSF has functions, but it also has subcategories within those functions. And subcategories kind of like a security control. That's the best way to explain it. Security control is like a password, making sure you have password protection or making sure you have physical security protection. Those are security controls, and subcategories goes into each one of those different things. So that's why it's very similar to security control.